Jamaica has been aware of Calabar High barring grade 10 students from being promoted to grade 11 because their average grade falls below 60%. But at least one parent says the policy extends to students in lower forms. Kadisha Johnson, whose son attends the Red Hills Road St. Andrew-based boys' school, says her son, who was in second form, was expelled because his grades were not up to standard. But as TVJ's Krista Campbell reports, the boy's family is taking issue with how they got that news.
Sometimes children don't share things, they parents certain things, but they don't go out in different environment, they will do stuff. I'm not going to say everybody's great and perfect, and so, but I'm saying they could give them a second chance.
A mother's plea for her child days after she says she was told he was not being allowed to continue attending Calabar High School in St. Andrew. At the center of Kadisha Johnson's story are more questions than answers. Ms. Johnson says neither she nor the child's father has been given a formal letter of expulsion, and they found out after collecting the school package for their son to start third form. She showed us rental books, epaulets, and a crest she said were collected and bought before they were given the shocking news.
My issues is my son was expelled from Calabar High School without a notification, a call, or anything at all. I'm aware of it when I went to orientation, and Tuesday morning, his father went to him on Tuesday morning that he is no longer a student at Calabar High School.
Ms. Johnson says she was told her son's grades were not up to standard. He was acting up and missing classes.
Why my son never go to class? Why them have a number down there? Why did not call, inform us that his son not perform that standard? We could have tried, at least even try to work with the child and try to bring them up to standard.
Both the mother and her 14-year-old son admit his grades have been falling, despite him improving in first form and even getting a scholarship award. But the teenager, who was a member of the school's track team, explains that he has been struggling because he became too focused on the rigorous track and field program.
On Saturday, can't do no book work. We got track meet every Saturday, and we come on back Sunday, look for shoes, press for khaki, all of that. But I have to do that, we're tired and go and sleep. Reach home late, can't look over my book, just fall asleep. Wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, and teacher said that late, we just school late, and reach at school. Some of the time we sleep in our class, and some of the time the teacher them run we out when we are asleep.
As for behavioral challenges, the boy admits he was suspended once for fighting.
And I look boy, I mean, she act like girl, I'm always trouble him. Somebody throw one paper in him lunch, and then him turn around and ask her who do it. Then all I will start laugh, and then him fling back something, and then me, and I will start fight.
TVJ News could not reach the acting principal for a comment, but when contacted, the board chairman said it sounds highly unlikely that the school would take such a stance without duly notifying the child's parents. In the meantime, the parents have taken action to try to get the matter resolved quickly.
I go into Ministry of Education and them give me a form to fill out, and some must state the reason why, and them write urgent, and my phone and say them I have a meeting with them Monday.
Now the subject of public scrutiny and discourse, the school administration is warning parents and guardians not to take advantage of the situation. Whether that is the case in this instance remains to be seen and could be determined in the coming week. Reporting from Calabar High School on Red Hills Road in St. Andrew, I'm Krista Campbell for TVJ News.